Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is reproduction and adolescence. Students, in previous video already we have discussed about that what is that reproductions and different types of reproductions and especially metamorphosis we have discussed. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss about that, and also we have discussed life cycle. Yes, life cycle of butterfly and other things. But students, today we are going to discuss about that determination of sex of a baby. तुमको पता है हमारा गांव का आदमी जो जब एक चाइल्ड बात होता है, एक लड़की हो गया, वो तो बोलते हो तुम लड़की हो गई, ऐसे सा वो लड़की तो मदर को मतलब उसको ब्लेमिंग करते, ठीक है। लेकिन हमें कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? डॉक्टर को पूछेंगे तो बोल सकते हैं अभी नाउ डेज इट इज मोर restriction is there, prohibited there to find out the sex, to determine the sex of the baby. But the olden days or the time whenever it was no rules, how the doctor can identify the child is boy or girl? हमको कैसे पता करना पड़ेगा? वो तो मम्मी का अंदर में रहता है, स्टमक में रहता है. How can we identify? How we should find out the determination of the sex? How can we find out वो बेटा और बेटी, बॉय और लड़का और लड़की, कैसे हमको पता करना है? So friends, first of all we have to get the idea how the child is formed. Already I have told you, by the fermentation, that means whenever gametes and when that ovum and sperm they are fused, when that both of they are forming combined and they are forming that zygote, and that zygote is developing in the embryo, and slowly after the 9 months it is coming out, that child is born. So by the sperm and a ovum. So sperm is coming from the father or that parent, that is father parent, and a ovum where it is in the mother. So when both they will combine, they will form that child and that zygote. So when the sperm carrying X chromosome or Y chromosome, that means it helps to combine. So in mother it contains that, what is that? Ovum. That ovum, it is also one, what is that? Gametes and a female gametes, and that female gametes contain that X chromosome. Yes. So when should remember students, to born a child, that means one child के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? क्रोमोसोम चाहिए. कितना? 23 pairs. That means 46 chromosomes needed. ठीक है. एक ह्यूमन बींग्स और एक चाइल्ड के लिए कितना क्रोमोसोम चाहिए? 46. दैट मीन्स 23 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. 23 पेयर्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द फादर and 23 pairs coming from the mother. Okay, both 23 pairs or 23 they are combining and forming that zygotes, and if they are making that what? Child. Yes, burning the child, developing the child. So this 23 are the called 23 pair of the chromosomes are called sex chromosomes, and especially it is coming from the parents, that is mother and father. So both from that it is coming, and this 23, whenever suppose father sperms they are getting, that is 2 chromosomes are there. 2 types of chromosomes are there, X chromosome as well as Y chromosomes. Which one contain? Sperm contain. Which one coming from the father parents? But in ovum, the female gametes contain only X chromosomes. ठीक है, समझे क्या बच्चे? जो मम्मी के पास रहता, वो जो मदर के पास रहता, उसका पास क्या रहता? कौन सा स्पर्म, माने कौन सा सेक्स क्रोमोसोम रहता? वो उसको X chromosome, that is called as a sex. X and Y are called sex chromosomes. What you should say? Sex chromosomes. So X we are getting from the ovum, that is mother, and Y chromosomes and X chromosomes are getting from the father parents. So when the zygote will form, when the sperm, that means it carry that 23 single pair of chromosomes. Okay, which one? From the father 23 single chromosomes they are getting, and from 23 it is getting from the mother. So when it depends upon parents what we are getting. So if from the sperm gametes or the male gametes it gives X chromosome, 23 X chromosome, then the child will form, what will be? Girl. The child will get girl, or will become girl. We can say it will become girl. If from the parent, that is by the sperm, if you will get that Y chromosome, then it will get that what is that? Boy, because X and Y it will form. If XX will form, that is called as a child or girl. If XY chromosome, then we can say it is a boy. Did you understand, students? So let us see about that very clearly, how the determination of sex of a baby. Okay. So see, students, the determination of a sex of the baby. How can we find out the child is boy or girl? The sex of a baby is determined by strands of genetic material present inside the nucleus of a cell. There are strands of genetic materials. These strands of threads-like structures are called chromosomes. In the cell inside it, students, like threads like that are there. These are called as chromosomes. And there are two types of chromosomes are there. One is X chromosome and a Y chromosomes. What you should say? X chromosome and a Y chromosomes. Okay. So threads like structure are called chromosomes, and in human body contain 23 pair of chromosomes. In human body contains how many chromosomes, friends? 23 pairs of chromosomes. That means 46 chromosomes. In a boy, how many? 23 pair of XY chromosomes. Okay, and in girl for XX chromosomes. So you should see, students, in a male, 23rd means pair consists of X long and Y short. That means both X and Y for boys, and XX for girl. Okay, this inside X and Y. What is that happen, friends? X is long and Y is short. Okay, X is long, Y is short for boys, and XX for the girls. That means when X and Y chromosomes are there, that we have to find out it is a boy. But if both are X and X chromosome, then we have to say it is a girl. Okay. So in girl cases, XX chromosomes. In boy cases, X and Y chromosome. X and Y chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. X and Y chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. Okay. So what is the sex chromosome? The X and the Y chromosomes which determine the sex of the baby are known as X chromosomes. Are called sex chromosomes. So very clearly I have drawn the pictures. You can understand, friends. Check it carefully. This is called as sperm. This is ovum. Okay, that means male gametes. This is called as also male gametes. This is female gamete. Yes, the male gamete carry which chromosome? X chromosome. Suppose ये both can carry, so X chromosome carrying, and in female gametes already X chromosome only it is there. Which chromosome? X. So male gametes carrying that X chromosome now, and female already X chromosome only it is there. Only in the female only X chromosome, there is no Y chromosome. But in male, X and Y chromosome both are present. So when the sperm carrying that X chromosome and a male inside, it will be mixing and zygote will form, that it will form XX zygote. Okay. and when that XX it will form, that it will combine the both nucleus, then it will form as a girl. What will form? Girl. Okay. But when the sperm will carry the Y chromosome, okay, when the sperm will carry the Y chromosome and it will mix with that ovum gametes, that female gametes, then it will form X and Y, because it is Y and this is X, so it's Y will form. So what will happen? It will form boy. Did you understand, students, about that? When the sperm carry that X chromosome, compulsory it will mix with X, so it will form that XX. The child will form that, as you can find out, it is a girl. But when that sperm will carry that Y chromosome, at that time it will find out that what will happen, friends? It will form, what is that? Y, then it will mix with that X, then it will form XY. Okay, so that's why it will form, what is that? XY, that it will form, the child will be boys. This is about that, whole about that determination. How can we determine a boy is a child, that a boy or girl, the child is boy or girl? We can find out this way by the checking, by the seeing the chromosomes. If that both are X and female and male, that XX chromosome, then we have to say girl. If it is X and Y chromosomes, both different chromosomes are there, then we have to say it is boy. Did you understand, friends? This is all about that determination of sex of the baby. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.